Hi, I'm Alex, I'm a Biktrix mechanic, and today we will be assembling a Juggernaut Ultra. To start, you can grab a pair of side cutters and cut the straps on the box. Then you can open the box and you'll find a toolkit with an Allen key multi-tool and a 15mm wrench, the pedals, the headlight, and the charger. Next, you can cut the zip ties on the wheel. And take the bike out. Now we can remove the packaging. At this point, we're ready to install the handlebars. So you can take the multi-tool and loosen the stem bolts and turn the stem to face forwards. Next, you can loosen the bolts on the faceplate and you can put the handlebars in place. Put the faceplate over the handlebars and begin putting the bolts back in. Now you can angle the handlebars how you like and tighten the bolts down fully. And make sure you tighten in a star pattern to ensure proper force on all four corners. Then you can align the handlebars with the fork and tighten it with the bolts on the side. The next step is to install the front wheel. To start, we can lock out the fork by turning the adjustment knob all the way clockwise, and this helps so the fork doesn't compress while you're putting the front wheel in. Next, you can take the 6mm hex and remove the bolt from the drive side of the bike. Next, you can remove the through axle from the fork. Now we can grab the front wheel and put it inside the fork. Now you can put the bolt back in and tighten it with the 6mm hex. You can also tighten the other side as well. The next step is to install the pedals. To do so, you can use the included 50mm wrench, and also note each pedal is marked left and right as the left has reverse threads. To start, we recommend that you add a little bit of grease to the threads, and then you can thread it in turning towards the handlebars. When it starts getting tricky, you can use the wrench. Now we can do the same to the left. After installing the pedals, we can install the headlight and front fender. To start, you can take the headlight and plug the wire with the white line on it into the positive, and the other wire into the negative connection. Now you can grab the fender and the 2 bolts from the toolkit and put the front bolt through the headlight and then through the fender and into the fork. After that's loosely threaded in, you can put the back one on too. Then you can grab the multi-tool and tighten them fully. Now that your bike is fully assembled, you're ready to ride. If you have any questions, visit our support page on our website and enjoy your new e-bike.